पिपल्साचे खासा भुरग्यांच्या क्लासीचे प्रकरण हायकोर्टान गेला. पयली क्लासी ग्राउंड फ्लोराचेर चलताल्यो, उपरांत वेले मजल्यार व्हेल्यो. खासा भुरग्यांक वेल्या मजल्यार वचपाची वेवस्था सारकी ना. भुरग्यांक दिसपट्टे त्रास जाता. क्लासी आसा तश्यो फर्स्ट फ्लोरा वेल्यान ग्राउंड फ्लोरार व्हरपाक सांगच्यो म्हूण पालक अपंगुळाच्या आयुक्ता मुखार गेल्ले. क्लासी आसा तश्यो ग्राउंड फ्लोरार व्हरात म्हूण ताणें स्कुलाक आदेश दिल्लो. 41 पालक आतां हायकोर्टान गेल्यात.
What has happened is People Educational Trust had shifted this student from the ground floor onto the first floor, against which they had complained to the Education Department and the Disability Commissioner. Now the Education Department just washed their hands away from this. What happened was the Disability Commissioner passed an order directing the Education Department and as well as the management to shift them back to the ground floor.
पालक म्हणटात पिपल्सान अपंगूळ आयुक्ताचो आदेश आयकनासतना खासा भुरग्यांची शाळाच बंद करपाचो प्लान केला. हायकोर्टान पीपल स्कुलाच्या मॅनेजमेंटाक नोटीस काडल्या. जाप दिवंक 1 आठवड्याचो प्राझ दिला.
Now, once this order came to be passed, the management has gone one step ahead and said they are closing down the school. Now, against that, basically we have come to this court for implementation of the order of the Disability Commissioner and basically look into the situation where an order has gone against the management and they are trying to close down the school. The High Court has today issued notices to the management and the matter is kept next week.
पिपल्साच्या मॅनेजमेंटाची अडचण कितें काय पळोवपाक आमी मॅनेजमेंटाच्या लोकांक संपर्क केलो. मॅनेजमेंट उलोवपाक तयार ना. केस 3 मायाक हायकोर्टा मुखार येतली. मुकेश कुमार, प्रुडंटा खातीर.